इन्फ्लेशन यानी महंगाई फाइनली नीचे आ रही है. Thank God it hit the roof in 2021. But hospital के खर्चे देखे हैं? Treatments and medications have become so expensive. Medical inflation is at 14%. और एक 2 साल की MBA फीस ही देख लो. 2003 में जो 3 लाख की थी वो 2023 में 24.6 लाख हो गई थी. So if inflation is coming down, why are things still so expensive? Hey, I'm Janvi and we're gonna break it down for you in this episode of Charcha Jari Hai. But first, a quick flashback. So inflation had peaked in 2021. How did it get so bad? Let's talk about 2020 when COVID had just struck. लॉकडाउन ने इकोनॉमीज को क्रैश कर दिया था और गवर्नमेंट्स ने क्या किया? इंटरेस्ट रेट्स को गिरा दिया. दैट मीन्स बोरोइंग सस्ता और स्पेंडिंग आसान. This is called easy money policy. And what happens when spending increases? Inflation. इसीलिए inflation इतना spike हुआ था. So RBI had to do something to control the inflation, right? And that's when they started increasing interest rates. Hike after hike after hike. And that's why inflation has started to finally stabilize now. Okay, so it all looks good now. What's the worry? Because there is a catch. जो हम बात कर रहे हैं वो है रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन या CPI इन्फ्लेशन. So CPI inflation tracks the change in price of a basket of goods and services that an average Indian uses on a daily basis. What's in the basket? Let's have a look. There's a lot of items, right? From food to clothing. Basically all essentials. But food has the highest weightage in CPI calculation, almost 46%. And that's why a stable inflation rate most probably implies that food inflation is getting stabilized. And that's why it's often said that inflation data does not capture the real impact of rising prices. Prices are still off the roof. Let's talk about 2 such prices. Number 1, medical inflation. Been to a hospital lately? Treatments and medications have become so expensive. Medical inflation of India is at 14%, which is one of the highest rates in Asia right now. इसीलिए लोग इंश्योरेंस भी ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं to protect their saving. In fact, the average claim for an infectious disease went up from 24,500 rupees in 2018 to 64,000 rupees in 2022. Number 2, education inflation. As for Bank Bazaar, the education rate in India has been somewhere around 11 to 12% in the past 10 years, which is a possible indicator that it could double every 6 to 7 years. एक 2 साल की MBA फीस ही देख लो. 2003 में जो 3 लाख की थी वो 2023 में 24.6 लाख हो गई थी. तो सोचो इन्फ्लेशन रियली कंट्रोल में है या पूरी पिक्चर दिख नहीं रही है? कमेंट करो अपने थॉट्स एंड लेट अस नो. इफ यू लाइक दीस इनसाइट्स, like, share, subscribe to this channel and we'll see you in the next episode of Charcha Jari Hai.